Open it like a noon, it's like a catapult. Jesus. So you got the Mondeo. What's the worst thing that can happen to you? You lift the boot up, just about to put your shopping in, and it comes down and cracks you on the head. Now, these gas struts are a little bit worse for wear. They've got all gunk coming out of them, and this does drop down and hit you on the head. They're just losing their push. They're a bit weak and there's a bit of a breeze. They ain't no good. Put some new ones on. Euro car parts. They're not the cheapest things to buy. 20 quid a pop. But it's like getting a lump on your head, doesn't it? What we need is a little screwdriver. So with a little screwdriver, we're going to pop it into the clip and just lever that up. Can you see that? Not very well. Let's come a bit closer. So we pop a little screwdriver into that, we just lever that clip up out the way, and then that will just pop off of there, like so. And then the same with the bottom one. Just pop the screwdriver in, pop the clip up, and pop that off. Out it comes. Now the new one is a different matter. There's your new one, and it's all good to go. You literally just put it on, push, wiggle, it's in. If that's facing the wrong way, you just spin it around, half a turn. So you can just prop the boot with a brolly or something to take the weight off it. Just lift the boot up now, put that in place, keep pressing a wiggle, and she goes. Wow, look at that go now. That's got some power in it. What a climb. Beautiful, that is. Super stuff. So there we have it. Mondeo boot now. Opening like a noon, it's like a catapult. Jesus. Have to be careful with that. Take someone's head off. But it's lovely now. That's not going to blow down in the wind. Super. That's a nice little job. If that's been of any use to you, help you out in any way, drop me a comment or like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.